Alright guys, back again with another video. Let me show you guys how to make an easy chicken katsu with curry sauce as well as a katsu sauce. Alright guys, first thing we're going to do is make the curry. So here I have an onion, I have a sweet potato, you can use any potato, I have some celery as well as 2 carrots. Now I'm just going to cut these up and put them to the side. Bang, just like that, everything is cut. I also have here 3 cloves of garlic. Into our pot I'm just adding about a tablespoon of oil. Now we're just adding in our onions. Now that they're a little translucent, you want to add your carrots and celery, as well as your potatoes and garlic. After about 1 to 2 minutes, you want to add about 3 cups of water. So on a medium to high heat, it's starting to boil a little bit. We're going to add 2 chicken stock cubes, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. To make this pretty thick, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And on a low heat, we're just gonna simmer this down until it's super thick. So now that the curry is reducing on the side, here I have 6 chicken breasts, and we're gonna prepare our chicken katsu. So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna pound out the chicken breast until it's about 1/2 inch thick. So after we beat our meat,
after you beat your meat,
that doesn't sound good. Now it's time to start breading our chicken. So into a bowl, we're gonna crack 3 eggs. Gonna whisk that up a little bit. Chicken breast. Put it in the flour, into the egg, then into the breadcrumbs. Now that we finished preparing the chicken katsus, the sauce has reduced a lot, and you can tell by when you drag the sauce down, you can see the bottom of the pan. So now it's time to start frying our chicken katsus. Into this saucepan, we're adding just about 2 cups of oil. So as the oil is heating up to fry our chicken katsu, we're gonna make our katsu sauce, which is gonna be 5 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Worcester, 2 tablespoons of this, about 1/2 tablespoon of A1, a tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of applesauce. Now we're just gonna mix that all up into the bottle. And that is our katsu sauce. Alright guys, now that it's kind of hot, we're gonna fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side.
serious. Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, yeah, that's a sound.
Right.
Oh, dude, is it still moist inside there, bro?
Yo, use the clip of Kaiba getting sent to the shadow. Cause that's wild. Let's go home.
Let's go.
Let's go home. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the best one.
This is a thick curry.
Thick.
And chicken's good.
Oh my god.
Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. With the rice, when you mix that.
Dang, this is what my boy Midoriya gave up to become All Might.
That's a bad.
Oh, that's so painful though, because it's so good.
This is mad good. This is a thick meal.
Dang, that's serious. The only thing missing is the shredded cabbage.
Oh yeah. If we had shredded cabbage, that little salad they always put on the side.
Oh my god. But this is fire. Man, the chicken's crispy. Oh,
The katsu sauce, sweet.
Alright, try it. Straight up.
Yeah.
That sauce. Oh my.
That's that katsu. Dude, I'll probably make this every day. You'll bring this to lunch, post-workout meal.
Yeah, this is part of the Clean Plate Club for sure.
This is solid.
Yo, that's a clean plate club member.
Talk to him!
Talk to him.
Now it's solid.
Alright guys, you already know. If you like the video,
Make sure you like that video! You best be liking that! This was mad good!
make sure you like that video. Gosh,
Dang.
bro.
You guys gotta make this. I literally made the easiest and best chicken curry you guys have ever tasted. Try this recipe out yourself. That's it.
Zooey mama.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu, baby!